forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Oh, hello. How are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. So today we are doing your reading for the upcoming month, June. Say a weekly reading, maybe you can see it, but you know the universe doesn't have a clock. TikTok नहीं चलता है. टाइम इज फ्लूइड. सो जब भी आप टाइटल से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, ये रीडिंग आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है, आप से रेजोनेट करती है, सो ऑब्वियसली इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए ज़रूर कुछ है, ज़रूर देखिएगा. ओके, सो वी आर डूइंग फायर साइंस नाउ. वी हैव जस्ट डन वाटर एंड अर्थ. ओके, सो अब हम हमारे फायर साइंस की रीडिंग करने वाले हैं. सो हम मोनोलॉजी टेक्स्ट से आपका एक ऑरिकल निकालेंगे. माइकल शो में द मैसेजेस आई नीड टू सी फॉर एरीज, लियोज एंड सैजिटेरियस. मेरी सोल ट्राइब जो वॉच करती है, जो लोग रेजोनेट करते हैं, शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया. मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. काइंडली हैव अ लुक एंड डू शो मी योर लव बाय सब्सक्राइबिंग टू द चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप आप लोग सेफ हैं. स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम, because times are really grim, right? So they've asked me to stop. Michael, show me the messages I need to see for my Aries, my Leos and my Sagittarius. What do we need to see? Cross watchers, please use your inner compass when you watch the reading. This is a love reading, guys. Okay, so what do you need to see in love? So पहले हम मोनोलॉजी डेक से आपका एक ऑरेकल पुल करेंगे, फिर राइडर वेट से वी गोना पुल योर टेरो एंड आई एम गोना क्लैरिफाई इट विद द एक्वेरियन. ठीक है, फिर मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. There's somebody. Okay, you know the songs and everything, they work with me really strongly in the readings. So Blueberry, they're my whisper guides, and you know Michael, so they're here with me. And this song is for somebody. Either you love it, maybe you're dealing with someone who's a water sign. So we've got balance, spirituality and practicality. Maybe you are going up and down, and we have hold your vision at the bottom of the deck. But we're going to take balance, spirituality and practicality, which is a full moon in Pisces. So we've just crossed full moon in Sagittarius, right, with a lunar eclipse, so which is very strong. So do watch your sun, moon and rising for a clearer picture. आपको बेहतर आइडिया लगेगा, बिकॉज मैं वैदिक और वेस्टर्न दोनों में डैबल करती हूँ. ज़ोडिएक नंबर्स जो बात करेंगे उनके बारे में ज़रूर बात करेंगे. एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस के लिए व्हाट इज दैट वी नीड टू सी. ऑरेकल मैं क्लियर करूँगी वंस आई पुल द टेरो. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी. चैन उड़ गए किसी का, मुझे लग रहा है. समवन इज रियली मिसिंग समबडी और वो समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. क्या करूं क्या ना करूं, ये कैसी मुश्किल है. कोई तो बता दे इसका हल मेरे भाई की तरफ, तो उससे प्यार करे. आप कह नहीं रहे हैं या कह चुके हैं, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. मे बी फॉर सम सिंगल्स, यू नो, हु गाइज आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दे क्रशिंग ओवर समबडी. यू क्रशिंग ओवर समबडी. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, what are the messages we need to see? Some of the messages I need to see for my Aries, my Leo, my Sagittarius. I see age difference also for some. Some of the messages we need to see. There are too many. Definitely you're dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Hands down. We have the moon, we have the 6 of swords. Could be an air sign. Three of cups. That is what is blocking it. But you know, the advice they're giving you, maybe you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, and we have the Ace of Wands, so it's inspiration. You need to just understand very clearly what's really blocking is external interferences. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. इससे पहले कि कोई और आकर उनको बता जाए या उनसे कह जाए कि oh you know what, I really like you. I think you need to do that. You need to bring in that balance. That is what this card is suggesting. with the balance, spirituality, and practicality, which is the full moon in Pisces. If you don't know certain things about your partner, it's okay. It's not necessary to know everything. Do you understand me? It's time to understand that you have to stay grounded. Okay, that is why you maybe, like I said, dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, there could be an air sign that you're dealing with. There's a possibility. Of course, there's a possibility. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you might be dealing with. Cancer, Pisces, of course, I see. But I see more of Pisces, than a Cancer, because for me, the moon card is the Piscean card. So, frankly, it's about you going towards the calmer side. ईजियर साइड पे आप जा रहे हैं बिकॉज आप बहुत परेशान रहे हैं, ऑन एंड ऑफ रहे हैं अबाउट दिस रिलेशनशिप, द पर्सन यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट और द रिलेशनशिप यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट, बिकॉज यू बीन थिंकिंग. आप समझ नहीं पा रहे थे एग्जैक्टली what was not working out, okay, why it was not working out. They're telling you that maybe you were also losing touch with reality. You have to touch base with reality. That is why the moon card is here. बहुत ज़्यादा आसमानी हवा में और फ्लेवर में रहेंगे तो चीज़ें नहीं होती ना. यू हैव टू बी रियल अबाउट इट. हर वक्त ये कहना मैं तुम्हारे लिए चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊंगा, डजंट वर्क, बिकॉज इट जस्ट डजंट वर्क, राइट. अच्छा लगता है सुनने में, बट it's way too cheesy, right? It's too cheesy. So be very clear about your dreams. Be very clear as to what you want in real life and the kind of person you're dealing with. I think वो confuse हो जाते हैं because of this behavior. I just feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Don't shoot me. I'm just a messenger. Okay. So the idea is that maybe you're super romantic, but you're not super real. Don't be super romantic. Okay. Don't be super romantic. Get real. I mean, trust your intuition, because your intuition is guiding you to the direction you need to go in. What you're doing is you're listening to a lot of people with Three of Cups. It's not a third party. You're listening to a lot of people. You're listening to a lot of things. And because of that reason, you are just not able to touch base with reality. आप reality नहीं देख पा रहे. Okay? So don't be super romantic. Okay? And I think some of you are also like into substance abuse or something. Please get off it. You need to balance it. You need to understand that the relationship you're asking about, the person you're inquiring about, is your soulmate. Let me tell you that. With this card here, it is like a reflection. It's mirror effect. Okay? And as I'm doing the reading, I see 1919. So it's also about independence. It's also about self-reliance. Trust करिए खुद पर और समझिए that this relationship is not just for the heck of it. Pisces happens to be the last sign, as we all know, in the zodiac. So something is coming to a full circle. You're getting a clarity about maybe a person or a relationship, and you will not be confused anymore about your emotions, about yourself, and maybe about the person you're asking for. Cross watchers अपना इनर कंपास ज़रूर यूज़ करेगा. ओके. सो डिग डीप, अपने इमोशंस में जाकर देखिए एक्चुअली में क्या चल रहा है, बिकॉज द मून इज रिफ्लेक्टिव ऑफ दैट. ओके. सो सी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर इमोशंस, कनेक्ट. और अगर आपने बात नहीं की है तो प्लीज़ टॉक टू द पर्सन, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज योर सोलमेट. दैट्स हाउ इट अपीयर्स टू मी. ओके. एंड release your fears. With the Six of Swords, just release it. Because maximum क्या होगा, अगर नहीं होगा तो learning होगी, right? So you'll grow, you evolve. Soul growth happens like that, right? शहीद नहीं हो जाओगे, learn करोगे, right? And that person is your दिल का चैन. That is how the song came around, right? And that's exactly what the cards are projecting. And they're telling you that, please take the right call, balance it. Because the person you're asking is really probably the right one for you right now. Okay? But शायद आप, उस चीज़ को somehow नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं with that kind of understanding. So I'm just going to clarify the moon here, which is for me is that you being into the dream world more than hitting base. But do a lot of grounding meditations करिए, मुझे लगता है that would really help you. ठीक है, and you would be in a better state and space. आप और क्लियरली समझ पाएंगे, देख पाएंगे. और कई बार होता है कि अपने शूज़ में नहीं, दूसरे के शूज़ में जाकर भी देखें, हो सकता है आपको बेहतर पिक्चर मिले. Show me the messages I need to see for the moon here for the fire signs. What do they need to see with the moon? I love the moon. मतलब as a mystic मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है, किसी भी फेज में हो. चंद्रदेव, moon 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 moon, yay, yeah, see the magician. It's up to you. आपके ऊपर है, आप क्या चाहते हैं. With the Ace of Wands, it's completely up to you. What do you want? आप नहीं कर रहे हैं, that's a different story. But it's up to you. You can really settle it easily. Okay, for June 2021, what I really see is that you are definitely going to take charge. There's a lot of passion. I think you guys are very attracted to each other. The woman, the feminine energy is very 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 pretty. बहुत सुंदर है. And the masculine is really attracted. So why wait? Go talk. There's distance, yes, be careful. COVID है, ध्यान रखिए. So don't get too close, but yeah, talk to them, communicate, keep the spark going, हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही. और सही राजदार मिल जाए लाइफ में तो बहुत इजी हो जाता है ना जर्नी. हंसते हंसते कट जाते हैं रास्ते. सो लेट्स सी, एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस, मैजिशियन. ओह क्या बात है. यू डीलिंग विद एन अर्थ साइन, एन एयर साइन. वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी, Piscean energy. What do we need to see from the universe has your back? My God, see, the universe also is saying that you're the magician. जिस तरफ भी लेकर जाओ, ask and you shall receive. Possibly. You really need to balance, so that do the grounding meditation, please. ठीक है? That would really help you. Okay. So we've got two for you. When I accept the love of the universe as my primary teacher, I will always be guided back to light. So trust the universe, have faith, it's taking you in the right direction. Don't worry about it, okay? You are being guided. You are just so guided. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. And yes, see, it's also like a soulmate twin flame. It's mirror effect. So definitely the one you're asking about is possibly the right one. So have fun. Don't worry. Like I said, don't worry. Be happy. मैं happy हूँ. So ये सारे जो elements हैं ना, they are attributory. ये आपको ये बता रहे हैं कि have fun. The person that you're asking about is right. आप confuse मत करिए. आप करें या वो करें, I don't know. Whoever it is. Please, don't confuse one another. And कोशिश करिए that you communicate with each other clearly. You express your feelings clearly. शायद वो नहीं कर रहे हैं आप लोग. So express it, say it, and see how it works. There's a lot of passion that I see going. A lot of passion. So if this reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Stay home, stay safe. ध्यान रखिए अपना भी और अपने loved ones का, and I shall see you until eternity. Bye.